Hey guys, Dennis and Kulika here.
Hi guys.
And it's not a mirage, it's cold. Look at my breath. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really cold. I gotta wear my hat even, but what's with the yellow coat? It's not spring.
Well, I'm trying to make myself believe it's not that bad. Well, it is pretty bad actually. Actually, I'm quite cold.
Ooh, it's about -2 Celsius. That's about 30 Fahrenheit, maybe 28. And it all of a sudden got really cold. And remember that video we did, guys? We showed you when we cut some pups barking
Oh,
out.
coyotes howling! I can hear coyotes. Listen.
Wait, listen. Yeah, there's coyotes out there.
Guess he's responding to that.
They're trying to keep warm. But we did a video with the logs we cut. Today, Kulika's going to show you her garden, what she did with them, and before the snow is up to our neck. So she'll take the camera over now and show you what she did.
So let's start the tour from here. So I'll just start walking here. We'll make a circle in the garden. Now here on the left, these are my raspberries. And I have a log here, a row of logs bordering the raspberry bed. And the idea is to keep good soil in place, because those of you who have been watching my videos, you know that I actually removed all the good soil, the top soil, when I built that garden. So I just removed all the sod and all the top layer of dirt along with it. So what was left was just one big giant sandbox. So because I wanted well, that's the way I made my garden manageable, because that grassy layer was so thick and full of roots and weeds, and also there were some nails and broken pieces of glass from previous owners. So I just didn't want any of that in my garden. So I just started from the from a white clean sheet. So, and the idea is to build my own soil. So here I'm making compost. That's my compost pile. This is actually I really should have shredded the grass. I should have found some way to shred it, because it takes forever to decompose. And now winter is coming and not much is happening here. So it will be well preserved until spring. But I'm just really needing some organic matter here for my garden. Now this was my corn patch. So I bordered this with logs now too. And now these are the corn stalks. I think I'm gonna try to shred those, because I really need some organic matter, and then I can use them as mulch for next year. But just long stalks like that, they will never decompose. Will take forever. So here I have my these white sticks are these are plum trees. So I put those pipes around the stems to protect them from being chewed up by mice in winter, and also to protect them from sun in spring. Then I have some currant bushes there along the fence. And then the rest of the garden, I just made these boxes just to border, because it's really hard. It was so overwhelming because my garden was just all over the place. So now it looks nicely structured, because now I have ready built boxes, and I can put better soil and mulch in those boxes, and water them, and water wouldn't run off the bed. So it will be better all along, I think. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Now I'm actually really excited about what I accomplished here. And I'm just itching to start planting. I realize spring is so far away, while winter hasn't even started. So here I had some Alpine strawberries in planters, so I don't know if they survive winter in those planters, so I'm gonna just leave them here. And these are my rootstocks, and some of them are cherry trees. I don't even know what is what exactly, but I'm gonna sort it out, and if these rootstocks survive the winter, I'm gonna try some more grafting next spring. So there's greenhouse. Yeah. And there is just pure sand. I haven't put any mulch or peat moss or nothing there. So that is going to need some work. I'm gonna plant peas and beans first, because they're kind of nitrogen fixers, so they will add nutrients to the garden soil. So here I have strawberries. I never really got that many strawberries. My strawberries just, cause these are like Alpine strawberries. These I started from seeds, and they it took actually full summer for them to grow to the point in which they started bearing berries. And just before winter, at the very late fall, that's when they were in full swing, and berries were coming like crazy. It was so sad, because it was gonna be over any time. So yeah, so now they're dead. I hope they'll survive the winter. And this other bed there behind, this is also strawberries. These are some, not Alpine strawberries, just regular. I don't know what sort or variety they are. And these ones here, these ones are Fresca strawberry. These, look at that, they have some big berries. They really got late message that winter's coming. They're blooming like crazy, and look, all these blooms are now dead. Well, no wonder snow is on the ground. Yeah, so if winter hadn't come yet, I would have got some abundant crop. But yeah, these I started from seeds too, and they had very late start. So I'm gonna make some mulch and really cover them good, because I think they are supposed to be quite a fragile variety. So that's yet to be seen if they survive the winter. So that's it for my garden this year. It sure looks like that's it, because it's pretty much over all the growing season. As you can see, snow is coming down. So yeah, if you like today's video, give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more similar videos, please subscribe to our channel so you wouldn't miss out on future videos. See you later. Bye for now.